how you doing? This is Ryan with Jamison Basement Waterproofing. Today we're in Glenside, PA on another waterproofing project. Let's go take a look. Today we will be installing a full perimeter drainage system. You can see the clear signs of groundwater seepage at the floor joint here. If we come over to the pump, we're actually going to be upgrading this pump system so it'll all look brand new when we're complete. Now that the job's complete, you can see that we use our Thermal Shield 90mm material, which ties directly into our drainage system, which goes around the entire basement and ties into our brand new sump pump system. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next project.